Hi you guys, welcome back. Well, today I wanted to show you how I repaired my rear hatch window defogger. When I was inspecting it, I noticed this plug was loose. Let me show you how to repair this. It's pretty quick and easy. Okay, what you notice here is that the end of this plug has a clip. This clip broke off the glass, so what we need to do is remove it and resolder it to the glass. But first we need to remove this clip from the plug. What you're going to need is a small screw or a sharp point to push in to release the clip. Then get a pair of pliers or vice grips to hold it so you don't burn your fingers. After this, it's just basic soldering techniques. Use some resin to clean it and solder onto that flat part of the clip. Put a lot of solder on it because we're going to need it when we go solder it to the window. Now we're going to grab the clip with some needle nose pliers. Put some flux in the area that we're going to solder onto first. Then take your needle nose pliers and apply the clip and apply pressure. And just hold your soldering iron against the clip until you get a good bond. That's it. Now just wait for your clip to cool down. Then you can plug your plug back in and you're good to go. That's it. Well, I hope this video helped you. I have other how-to videos. Until then, I guess I'll see you at my next video. We'll see ya. Bye.